Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for some Happy Meal unboxing. This package comes from Wanda. Thank you so much. This is a prize package I won from her. Her channel's name is A Day in My World. So if you haven't seen Wanda's channel, make sure you do. If you love crafty hauls, she has that, and she also has wonderful project shares from her collabs. And also, I love how she shares her adventures as a mom. So Wanda, first of all, thank you so much for this prize pack. Let's have a look and see what is in here. So she hosted this giveaway as a celebration of her milestone. Oh my gosh. So the first item I won is this super cool pack, and it's all about friendship. I love that. Thank you. Let me just see if she included a note. Oh my goodness, here it is. I just see a bunch of stuff. Thank you so much. Here is our card. Look at that. Let me read this off camera. Oh, thank you, Wanda. So she says, thank you for being such an amazing friend. So glad we found each other. Definitely. Thanks to Bibi. Bibi was the one that recommended Wanda's channel, and I have not stopped watching. Congratulations on winning my giveaway. Hugs, Wanda. A day in my world. Thank you so much. The next item she included in her giveaway are these adorable buttons from K & Company. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely going to use that in my projects. Guys, look at these stickers. We have some heart stickers and teddy bear stickers in different colors. I also won Stencil Minis, and these are the shapes. There are 12 stencils in here by Heidi Swap. I'm not familiar with this, so I'm super, oh my gosh, that's so cool. Here they are. So we have some words. I see a heart, some shapes, and then a star, and it says love this. That's really neat. Thank you, and more of our wonderful jot stickers. Perfect for Valentine's, or I'm going to be using this for my wedding anniversary layout. Look at this. I have never seen this. This is a farmhouse kind of paper washi tape stickers. Wow, this is really cool. Love those colors. And oh my goodness, these I have personally have not seen at my Dollar Tree. These are the Crafter's Square pumpkins. We have our sugar skulls. Again, I don't see this. Oh my gosh. And then beautiful fall rub-on transfers with our fall, and I love fall. More of these. Oh my gosh. Stickers galore. Oh my goodness, Wanda. I'm going to be sharing this with my kids. And then we have these googly eye ones as well that she included. So many. So Wanda recently posted her video of I think it's Halloween collab, and it definitely gave me goosebumps. If you have to see how she altered that project, I'm not going to say anymore. You have to see it. I will link her video down below. Look at these guys, super fun. And then we have more of these super fun. I love these stickers. Are really going to be fun for an October daily. And what a beautiful rub-on set here with the florals and the angels. That is really beautiful. Wait, you guys, there is one more item. I almost missed it. They are a couple of these mini heart frame here. And it says Love Struck. How adorable is this? Thank you so much, Wanda. And apologies for filming this a little late. I did receive this a few days ago. I've just been really swamped and busy. But really appreciate this, guys. Check out her channel, It's a Day in My World. You will enjoy her content. Stay tuned for more project shares using some of these wonderful items that she has shared with me. Again, thanks for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.